Today we're assembling the Barnyard Critters Dollhouse mini books, a set of 4. To get the best results, I recommend printing the book covers on cardstock for durability and the inside pages on regular paper for flexibility. First, I cut out the pages using a Fisker's precision trimmer, but scissors work just fine too. Next, I fold the cover in half to prepare for assembly. For adhesion, I'm using double-sided tape. It's less messy than glue, and it works great. Now it's time to score the spine so the book folds neatly. I'm using a bone folder and scoring board, but a ruler and careful folding will work just as well. For the inside pages, I score them into 3 sections and fold them accordion style. The key here is to start by folding inward so the first and last pages remain on the outside. These will attach to the covers or the next section. Check the diagram in your download instructions if you need a visual guide. Before assembling, I ink the edges of the book cover to hide the white paper and give it a nice vintage look. Before securing everything, decide on the page order and which one will attach to the front cover. Now, I work with each section of pages separately. Glue or tape the inner pages together, but leave the first and last pages open. These will attach to the covers shortly. Once that's set, glue or tape the sections together and attach them to the front and back covers. And voila, we're done. Let's take a look at all 4 books. The chicken book, the goat book, the piggy book, and the cow book. Aren't they adorable all together?